Unpack your apartment. Moving out is always hard, especially if you have a lot of things to pack. This is doubly hard for those that do not have the organizing genes in them. Some people just put anything into boxes without even sorting them out according to their kinds. When they unpack, their hardship is doubled. Being organized when packing things is very important. It is easier to pack and to unpack if you have classified your things and put them in boxes together. If you are moving out of your apartment, read this article to help you become more organized in packing your things. Take out everything that you will be packing for your move. Classify them according to their kinds so that it will be easier for you to unpack them later on. Magazines, books, and the like should go in one box. Accessories should go in another smaller box, and so on. Do not put those that do not belong to the group just so you can use up all the space. Label the boxes. This will make your work easier. Label the boxes in big letters so that you can easily determine which ones go where. It always pays to be organized. Pack and wrap breakables individually in newspapers to avoid any breakage during the trip. Glasses, plates, and other kitchen implements that are breakable should be wrapped in newspaper or old paper. Stack them in the box according to their size and weight. The biggest and heaviest ones go to the bottom until the lightest and smallest are at the top of the pile. Buy boxes in different sizes. Determine how many boxes you will need and their sizes. Trinkets and accessories can fit in a small box while clothes, appliances, and other things require bigger boxes. If the boxes have any space left, jam them with crumpled paper until they are full. This will prevent the things inside the box from moving and maybe breaking during the trip to your new place. The paper will act as cushion inside the box. Before leaving for your new place, make sure that you have packed everything. Double-check your apartment for anything important that you have left behind. You can always do some last-minute packing. Just do not forget to label them properly. For those that you no longer need, give them away to family and friends or donate them to charity. There is no point in bringing unnecessary clutter to your new place. They will just gather dust and dirt in their storage. Now that you have packed all your things in boxes, you are ready to move to your new place. If you do not have your own car to haul them to their new home, you can hire hauling services so that you can transfer them all in one trip. U-Haul has different sizes of haulers that they hire so that you can choose how big the vehicle should be to fit all your things. When you have reached your destination, unpacking will be much easier because you have organized everything.